If you don't believe in Nigeria, trust me, real estate will not sell for you. There are people buying real estate of 100 million, 200 million, 300 million in this same country, and they go to Ifadoroma. If you have money, will you buy this property? This is the best property there is in Asaba. There's something I used to tell people. Our parents, if you listen to them, they say, Nigeria Adoroma. There have never been a time Nigeria Demma. And there will never be a time Nigeria Gademma. There are people that profit from adversity. There are people that profit from turmoil. There are people that profit from economical instability. Be among them. When we cement 1,000 naira, if I could cement galono, I can grow today and the cement 11,000. A cement 20,000. Some persons that met cement 11,000, you see, I'm a common one cement 11,000 naira. Let nothing stop you. People are garnishing their teeth. People are going down. But your own life should be going up. I want to advise you, if you're here, I'm not advising you to go and look for clients. I'm advising you first of all to believe in yourself, to believe in this country once again. Trust me, what we are doing has gone beyond selling land. No, it's a fight to reclaim Nigeria, and you must do that with economical stability. You must do that with commercial power. You must do that with monetary funding. Tell your clients to buy this property this month or risk losing this environment. This price, 4,800,000, is the least they can see this property after this month. All right, I'll see you in the winner's circle.